Hi, thank you for purchasing MotoKart. In this video I'll show you how you can add autoresponders from MotoKart dashboard. So to add autoresponders, you will have to go to shops. You will have to click on manage, and here in the shop settings click on email settings, and in this email settings you will find autoresponder option. Click on it and it will take you to these multiple autoresponder options. Click on connect button, add your API URL and API key for the autoresponder and click on fetch button. For Aweber, click on connect and enter your code and fetch the list. For constant contact, enter your email address and password and you can easily fetch your email list. And the process goes same for the rest of the other autoresponders as well. For more information, you can refer to our documentation as well. Thank you for watching this video.